natural health for beginners.
How to make coffee scrub. Are you looking for a natural, affordable skincare product to exfoliate your skin? Coffee scrub is an easy-to-make, effective exfoliator that helps remove dead skin cells, improves circulation, and can even reduce the appearance of cellulite. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a homemade coffee scrub with the right ingredient quantities. Ingredients you'll need: half a cup of used coffee grounds. Fresh grounds can be too harsh, so it's better to use used coffee grounds. A quarter cup of coconut oil. This will moisturize your skin while the coffee works as an exfoliant. A quarter cup of sugar, optional for an extra boost of exfoliation. Sugar can enhance the scrub. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional, adds a soothing scent, giving your scrub a luxurious feel. Instructions: melt the coconut oil. If your coconut oil is solid, melt it in a microwave or over low heat on the stove. It should be warm but not hot. Mix coffee grounds and sugar. In a mixing bowl, combine the used coffee grounds and sugar. Stir them together until evenly mixed. Combine with coconut oil. Slowly add the melted coconut oil to the coffee and sugar mixture. Stir it well until you get a paste-like consistency. Add vanilla extract for added fragrance. Mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you can skip this step if you prefer an unscented scrub. Store in an airtight container. Transfer the scrub to a jar with a tight lid to keep it fresh. Store it in a cool, dry place. How to use: apply the scrub to damp skin in gentle, circular motions. Focus on areas like elbows, knees, and legs where exfoliation is most needed. Leave the scrub on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes to let the oils soak in. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Benefits of coffee scrub: exfoliation. Coffee grounds are natural exfoliators that help slough off dead skin cells. Improved circulation. The massaging motion and caffeine content stimulate blood flow. Cellulite reduction. Some studies suggest that caffeine can temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite. Moisturization. Coconut oil leaves your skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Now you can enjoy glowing, smooth skin with this simple DIY coffee scrub. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.